Hey, I'm Swappers. Today, I will show you what a personal account looks like on our platform if you have NFTs that increase profitability. First of all, you need to connect the wallet and enter the password. As soon as we connected the wallet, we see such title here NFT boost is written, which indicates that we have at least one of the two NFTs from Chica Rocco. In order to see in more detail, go to the Start Earning tab, and right here in the Pool tab, we see that they have increased profitability. Now we will put liquidity and see how it will look. You can also go to the Farm tab and see what NFTs you have in your wallet. I have a Tier 1 NFT that boosts 5% for liquidity pools and 10% for farming campaign. Now let's create a liquidity pool. We select a pair in which we will add liquidity. After we have selected the tokens, we need to confirm the transaction on the MetaMask and wait for a small transaction pending. I remind you that the creation of liquidity pool tokens paired with ESW gives 180% per annum, and paired with any other token, for example Matic ETH, will give 365%. Once our transaction is approved, we can view all information about our pool right here. To get Tier 2 NFT, you should put liquidity at least for $100 in any pair until August 8. You can also see the increased percentage for the farming campaign if you have NFT on your wallet on the Farm tab right here.